Hi, this is Easy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. We've all been there. You post something on Instagram only to realize you're getting too much of a reaction from one person. While you can remove the post altogether, isn't always the best solution. And what if you want to hide your post from specific people from your Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now I will show you. Here's my Instagram. I want to hide this from someone on my Instagram. So the only way is that you can archive your post, but if you don't want to archive, you still want to make it your post public, but you want to hide it from that person. All you can do is you can block them. So you can choose maybe for this one, you can just block the account. You can block them so they can't see. They won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't be able to see your posts. You can just block them. And maybe after a few days, you can unblock them again after a long time you just post this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!